Are you ready for more apples? Here we go! Apples with a little bit of cinnamon. Look at you feeding yourself. Look at you feeding yourself. Not sure what I think of this. Here we go. Yummy. These Granny Smiths are a little bit sour, aren't they? Haven't seen that face before. No? Want some more? The faces I'm not sure, but then I want to keep eating. Here we go.